All right, we are here at Draxall with the coach here of Dunbeholden. I mean, very, very tough result today. I mean, based on the balance of the game, you don't think it's a game that they deserve to have lost 3-0. Coach, what is your take on the game, especially to what you would call dubious penalty calls?
I mean, we conceded, I think, 2 really, really soft penalties. Any day could have gone the other way, but it's football, you know. But those 2 penalties really left us reeling, and you're playing against the league leaders, and I think they were given 2 penalties. And as a result of that, you know, I thought we fought, we made 1 and 2 errors. I mean, but such is football sometimes, you know.
Now, last week when we spoke, we talked about the inability of the team to finish off the chances that you create. You had a couple in the first half, you ended the first half in a good position and just never capitalize on the opportunities. I mean, how are you going to address the goal scoring, because you continue to defend well, but just not able to score the chances that you're creating?
And again, it comes down to precision and just some more heart and more fight, and then being tactically aware in terms of where you want to be when the ball is wherever, you know. So it comes down to that, and I think once we get back to the pitch, we are definitely going to work. We have been working, and really, really sad to have lost 3-0 today, but trust me, we are going to be back.
Finally, coach, 13 games, that means you have played every team, so you at least have some idea now as to what to do going forward. I mean, how are you looking towards the return games?
I mean, we would have assessed, evaluated, of course. We would have seen the games that we would have lost, and today again, it is hard to get past it, because I think it was a heavy one, and to be playing the last game of the round, you want to be starting the next round on a better footing. But nonetheless, we are going to get back to the pitch, as I said earlier, and we have some youngsters in the squad, and we'll be looking at fusing them and merging them, and I'm sure that we will be bouncing back from this.
All right, thank you so much, coach, and all the best going forward. I mean, all the best to your team. You were in the finals last season. I know that the Dunbeholden team has enough quality to push up the table. So all the best going forward, and thank you for speaking with us.
Yeah, man, thanks much. All right.